even get to bronze.
User review 1. Pleasant feeling. Yet not used, but I can say its build quality is fantastic. I haven't used any other induction cooktop, so no much experience with it. The delivery was perfect and the product delivered is also in good condition. You can go for this, and below are some photographs of the product. User review 2. Awesome product and very low cost. I had read in some reviews that it take a bit more time in heating, but totally wrong. It heats as fast as costly products. Don't waste money in branded costly induction cookers. Go for it without hesitation. User review 3. I bought this product at 1,200 rupees. At this price segment, this is very good. Good thing is its price, which is in budget. Best for hostel life. Go for it. Easily boiled milk, water etc. Easily made Maggi too. User review 4. Received the product a little late. Used it for 20 minutes so far. Good. Design looks premium. Function buttons are okay. Hope I can use it without any dysfunctions for a fair amount of time. User review 5. Really awesome for student life. I liked its compact design so much. Easy to cook. It cooks food even in steel pots. User review 6. Excellent cooktop, working very nicely. Great control over the heating, resulting in very convenient cooking. User review 7. Plus button little stiff in first operation but went smooth after a couple of hard presses. Worth her money. User review 8. It's a very nice product and very useful as well as powerful also. I am so happy for buying this product. User review 9. Quality is good but there is no warranty card given like other products. User review number 10. Heating very fast, making tea in 3 minutes. Chicken in 1 hour.